Hi guys, just a week after the Lotus has been sold, we're here picking up a new car. And I'm going to make you wait just 30 seconds longer, but one hint, it's not the Mustang behind me. Yes, I went for an Audi TT RS, and I'm going to keep this video really short and sweet because it's more just a reveal video than about the car, because we're going to get used to it a little bit and then bring out a review for that. And we've got some things in the pipeline as well with Revo, so that's very, very exciting. The reasons for going for this is it's got the most important things. It's got the awesome Super Sport seats, which are going to help my back a bit more on these longer journeys, and of course cruise control as well for my ankle. I did think about going something more sensible, things maybe even a Golf R, but I just missed that really big excitement. And I think if the insurance hadn't been so expensive on the M2, then I would have kept the M2. So I've kind of just gone for a cheaper insurance alternative that, yes, it's got quattro, so it's not got the rear wheel drive, but it's got an awesome engine in it with that 5 cylinders. So I'm really excited to unleash what is capable from this car and start to gel with it as well, because it's always been one of those amazing cars that you've heard of. They are basically a baby R8, so it's a baby supercar with the R8 steering wheel, which is just epic. So yeah, that's my reasoning for now. I'm really happy with the drive home. It's been a fantastic car, and a huge thanks to Ron Motors for supplying it. They were awesome right from start to finish. So now all that's left to do is enjoy the sun whilst we've got it for now, and start to really get to know the car, learn what buttons do what, because the journey home was a little bit trying to work out how the screen works, how to get music working, etc. So I've got all that to come now. But yeah, I'm happy with it. I think it's going to gel well. Obviously, the only real downside with this car was the miles per gallon, so the fuel consumption, especially in the times at the moment with fuel prices being so high. However, I did manage to get 33 miles per gallon on the way home, which is actually 1 mile per gallon more than the M2. So not horrendous. I mean, it's going to be a compromise somewhere. That's going to be the compromise at the moment. And the plan is to keep this car until I actually sell it to get a house deposit. So when I have to grow up, which at the moment I don't really want to. But yeah, there we have it. That is the new car. The Passat is still up for sale, so hopefully that will go soon. If you want to grab yourself a bargain, please do get in touch. It's had everything done to it, as you all know. So we are back to one car. Not the most sensible of options, but we had to compromise somewhere, and I think I'm going to be pretty happy. So yeah, you guys know the drill. To make my journey your journey, like, follow, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!